Hello everyone. Today I want to explain some details about modeling with Plaxis 3D. But first of all, I should apologize for my less abilities in English language. As you know, I'm not an English born person, so please excuse me for incoming mistakes in spelling or other things. I have to present this course in English just for our international students. Anyway, as I told you, you should solve your second project with a software, Plaxis 3D or Abacus, which one you want. I prefer Plaxis 3D for its simplicity and less time consumption to create models. I sent you details of the project before, and as you can see, you should model lock chamber with its piles. Dimensional material properties are known for you, and we can open Plaxis 3D now to create our model. By choosing start a new project, you can define your project from the first step. Then you can specify a title for your project. For example, I named my project the Big Chamber. After this, you can define some basic properties of the model, like its whole dimensions and so on. Now we should define soil layers to the software. To create soil layers, we should define one or some boreholes. Here one borehole is sufficient. We can define by selecting new, and we can specify a name for our layer. Constitutive model is selected as Morculum for this project, and drainage type, we can read the each type detail here. For example, the drainage type on drain A has these details, and on drain B has these ones. I select on drain A, but I will change it. I just want to show you the parameters this type is needed. Material properties can define using the table 1. On drain shear strengths, elastic modulus, Poisson ratio, and other things are needed. Density is defined as 90.7. Elastic modulus of first layer is defined as 500 kPa. Poisson's ratio is 0.35. And I changed the drainage type to undrained B. Undrained shear strength is defined as 5 kPa. And interface ratio is defined as 0.6. Now we can specify the layer for first layer of soil. It's from depth 0 to 2.5. As you can see, the layer is defined now. We can specify depths of the water table from head. I can choose 4.5 or something like this, but we can define water table at depth 0. Then hydrostatic pressure defined as static loads. The hydrostatic pressures should be applied to wall of the chamber. I select 0 here. As you can see, the first layer is defined. By selecting borehole again, we can add other layers to the model. There is not any important difference between the definition of layers, so you can use same steps. By specifying all layers, our soul area is ready now, but I decide to increase dimension of the model, and after this we should create the chamber in our model.